If your belly's sticking out and you want to see real results in just 7 days, stick with me till the end. No gym, no equipment, just these 5 exercises I'm about to show you. Most people think you need hundreds of crunches to get a flat stomach, but the truth is doing the right exercises at the right time matters way more. First up is the plank. Keep your body straight. Tighten your core and hold it for 20 to 30 seconds. Second is bicycle crunches. This one doesn't just hit your upper abs, it works your obliques too. Third is mountain climbers. This builds core strength while torching calories fast. Fourth is leg raises, one of the best moves for targeting that lower belly fat. And last but not least, Russian twists, perfect for carving out those obliques. If you commit just 10 minutes a day to these 5 exercises, you'll start noticing the difference in 7 days. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.